Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Couture Crave, where you get the brand new shoe collection every day. So friends, if you are visiting on our channel Couture Crave for first time, then make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of our newest videos. So friends, today you are watching knit sneakers designs on the screen. So friends, knit sneakers are a popular style of footwear for ladies, and for good reason. They are comfortable, stylish, and versatile. Knit sneakers can be dressed up or down, making them perfect for any occasion. One of the biggest benefits of knit sneakers is their comfort. The knit material is soft and breathable, making them ideal for long days of walking. The thing that makes knit sneaker unique is that it is breathable sneakers. Knit sneakers also have a flexible sole which allows for a full range of motion. Knit sneakers are also very stylish. They come in a variety of colors and designs, so there is a pair out there to suit every taste. Knit sneakers can be worn with jeans, shorts, dresses, or skirts, making them a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Another benefit of knit sneakers is their affordability. Knit sneakers are typically less expensive than other types of sneakers, such as leather or canvas sneakers. This makes them a great option for budget minded shoppers. If you are looking for a comfortable, stylish, and affordable pairs of sneakers, knit sneakers are a great option. They are perfect for any occasion and can be dressed up or down. So please share this video to your fellows and friends so that they can learn about these latest and upcoming trending designs, because shoes can decide your personality. Thanks for watching.